Top 10 aircraft in the world of 2023. Number 10, Sukhoi Su-27, total speed 1553 mph. Number 9, General Dynamic F1 Agera, total speed 1650 mph. Number 8, Mikoyan MiG-31, total speed 1864 mph. Number 7, Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-25, total speed 1864 mph. Number 6, MC Donald Douglas F-15 Eagle, total speed 1918 mph. Number 5, North America XB-17, total speed 2556 mph. Number 4, Bell X2, total speed 2094 mph. Number 3, Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, total speed 22,000 mph. Number 2, Lockheed YF-12, total speed 22,075 mph. Number 1, North America X-15, total speed 45,020 mph.